Assalamu alaikum. I am Aisha Maham from the University of Faisalabad, student of Doctor of Optometry final year. The topic that I am going to discuss is blepharitis. So, what is blepharitis? It is a condition of subacute or chronic inflammation of the eyelid margins. This picture shows the appearance of the blepharitis. Types are anterior and the posterior blepharitis. The first type that I am going to discuss is infective ulcerative blepharitis. It is acute and the chronic infection of the lash follicles associated with the glands of Zeiss and the mole. These pictures show Zeiss, mole and the meibomian gland location in the eyelid. Causes are Staphylococcus aureus, Staphylococcus epidermidis. Symptoms are red and edematous eyelid margins associated with conjunctivitis, irritation and the itching, burning sensation, lacrimation and the crusting. Now signs are red and inflamed eyelid margins, yellow pus of multiple suppurative lesions, crust form that are centered around the bases of the lashes. Non-infective blepharitis are the disorder of the gland of Zeiss and the mole. Causes are acne rosa, atopic dermatitis. Signs and symptoms are shiny waxy appearance of the lid margin, mild to moderate erythema, and the dandruff-like desquamation of epidermis, greasy eyelashes, burning sensation, redness of the lid margin. Treatment are eyelid hygiene, antibiotic ointment, topical steroid, and artificial tears. Posterior blepharitis are the diffuse inflammation of the meibomian glands. This picture shows the meibomian gland orifices. Signs and symptoms are burning sensation in the eyes. Orifices of the meibomian gland show coating and the capped by small oil globes. Signs are eyelid eversion show vertical yellow lines. Treatment are hot compressor, systemically antibiotic, eyelid hygiene, topical steroid. This picture shows the difference between normal and the blepharitis condition. Thanks for watching.